So here is our second problem. 2z divided by z squared minus 5z adds 6. Now if you look at the derivative of the denominator, if we differentiate this, we get 2z minus 5, and it's exactly what we have as its numerator. So we can identify this with a family of integrals belonging to the integral of f of dash x over f of x dx. And for that, we can just write the integral of 2z minus 5 over z squared minus 5z at 6 dx is equal to ln modulus z squared minus 5z at 6 at the constant of integration c. So there we have it. One of the key things to solve one of these problems is to identify which category it falls into. And we can clearly see if we differentiate the denominator, we'll get what we have in the numerator. And that falls into families of integrals of this form, which allows us to express it as ln of the denominator. Thanks for watching. I'm Alistair.